Hey everyone! Welcome to the MonoVM YouTube channel. Today, I'm taking you through a step-by-step guide on setting up a V2Ray VPN on your VPS, perfect for boosting privacy, bypassing geo-restrictions, and enhancing security. Don't worry if you're not a tech expert, I'll break it down in a simple, easy-to-follow way so you can get your VPN up and running quickly. Make sure to subscribe to the MonoVM channel so you never miss our latest guides and tech tips. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to open your PuTTY configuration window. If it's empty, go ahead and enter your hostname and port number. Once that's done, click OK. Now that the terminal is open, you should log in. In this example, we'll be logging in as the root user. Enter your password. Next, we need to start with a simple script. Type the following command. Now, we're going to install curl. Type. Hit enter and wait while the installation is complete. Once the installation is done, it's time to download the setup script for V2Ray VPN. Type this command. Next, let's give the script permission to run. Type. Now it's time to install. Simply type. Toward the end of the process, you'll be asked a question. Just type n. Now that the setup is done, open your browser and enter the IP address of your server and port number to reach the management dashboard. Default port is 54321. On the login page, enter your username and password to log in. And there you go. Your V2Ray VPN is now installed and running on your VPS. To change the panel language, just right-click anywhere on the page and choose Translate to English. To update your username and password, go to Panel Settings from the left sidebar, then head over to the User Setting tab. Here, you can change your login details. And that's it. You've successfully set up your V2Ray VPN. Want an even smoother experience? Get your own MonoVM V2Ray VPS from anywhere in the world, just check out the link in the captions. If this tutorial helped you, hit that like button, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more awesome tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.